Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Abhirami and I'm so glad to see you guys back here in my channel. In this video, we'll be creating a beautiful DIY. It's really simple and easy that you can actually create it with your kids. And like you saw in the description, this DIY, we are going to be creating it with bubble wraps. So firstly, we'll be needing bubble wrap. Just take any bubble wrap that you get with any of your Amazon packages or any orders online and then use it. We'll also be needing a paper on which we'll be creating this whole DIY. It can be a little thick paper or like a cardstock. We'll also be needing acrylic colors or poster colors. I am here using my acrylic colors. You can also use any color or any shade that you want because we are going to be creating honeycombs. So I've taken antique gold camel artistic acrylic color and yellow ochre and lemon yellow from the same brand. We'll also be needing a black marker. I've taken a Sharpie marker here. Any black pen will do. And also a double side tape. You can also take a cello tape and then fold it to make a double side tape. We'll also be needing a scissor. Also to draw the bee on, we'll also be needing a cardstock paper like I said. Make sure that the paper is a little thick so that we'll have some sturdy honey bees. So yeah, let's grab all these materials that we need and get started with our video. It's going to be a really fun DIY. I've taken the bubble wrap. I'm just keeping the bubble wrap face up and then adding some paint to the bubble wrap here and there very randomly. Once I add all the paint that I wanted, I'm just folding the bubble wrap and pressing them against each other so that the paint gets spreaded. Just flipping it over and then placing it over the paper. Now I'm just pressing the bubble wrap against the paper so that the paint gets stuck to the paper. So let it dry for some time and then remove the bubble wrap. Now you can actually see the patterns of the bubble wrap imprinted on the paper. The next step that we'll be doing is to draw the honeybees. Just follow along with me. It's an easy honeybee to draw. Just draw the wings of the honeybee far from each other and then connect them over with the body. I'm drawing this on a very thick paper because I need a very sturdy honeybee. You can draw on any paper you like, any colored paper. I'm just using a white paper and drawing it over with a black marker. Once I have drawn the honeybee, I'll just take it and cut it out on the outline. You can draw honeybees in different sizes and then cut them out. If actually your kids is performing this act, I would suggest a parental guidance while cutting the honeybee out. So like so, may I get 2 or 3 honeybees ready of different sizes. So to stick the honeybee to the paper, I'm just taking a double-sided tape and cutting it to a smaller size and then sticking it on the paper. And now I'll just stick the honeybee over it. I'm using a double-sided tape because it gives an embossed effect so that the honeybee is really popping out of the honeycomb. Stick randomly wherever you want to place the honeybee. You can even stick it over the honeycomb. You can just use this DIY to create a greeting card or create a wall hanging. I hope you guys had real fun watching this DIYs and I would really recommend you guys to try it out. And also if you're actually trying it out, share it with me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. I'm really excited to see your creations. Do like this video and also share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I publish a new video. I publish a new video every Tuesdays and Saturdays. And until we meet in our next video, tada, bye bye.